Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Tropical storm Gordon will be at near hurricane strength when it hits the U.S. Gulf Coast this evening. Read all about it, AccuWeather. You can also go to nhc.noaa.gov and look at the interactive maps. I'm going to show you the interactive maps here in just a moment. This is Serious Sam filling in for Rex Bear, and hopefully you're being serious wherever you are. This right here, you can see, let me show you the map. Before I do, though, I would like to let you know that if you are concerned about the volatility in the stock market, if you've got a 401 or an IRA that's linked to the markets, you can right now diversify. You can move your stocks into precious metals. It's easier than ever. And there's even free literature right now that's being given to Leak Project listeners, how inflation is designed to keep you in the rat race. Just for one moment, think about how much you spend keeping your money in the bank. If you've got money in a savings account, how much return do you get on that savings account? And then how much is inflation? It's insane. If anything, read the literature. You'll thank me later. Noble Gold Investments. Let them know Leak Project sent you. Okay, now I would like to share with you, we've got to be serious. This is the Tropical Storm Gordon interactive map. You can see the cone contains the probable path of the storm center, but it doesn't necessarily show the size of the storm. Now, there are hazardous conditions outside of the cone, and if you just look at it, you're going to see that this storm goes all the way up into Wisconsin. It hits the Great Lakes. Somewhat of a zigzag formation. Now, hopefully it won't be too extreme. Let's hope that it doesn't strengthen. I have a feeling it's going to be okay. But I'm in southern Colorado, so I'm not even anywhere close to this. You definitely want to be prepared. Don't be scared, be prepared. I like that saying. Let's look at some other graphs too. I want to show you the rainfall potential. And then we're going to look at a couple other hurricanes and some extreme weather, such as Japan had a typhoon, the worst in 25 years. Japan is just getting rocked. Extreme heat, flooding, Fukushima. Such an amazing country, amazing people, amazing technologies. It's so unfortunate that because of these extreme weather events and the proximity of mainland Japan, but a lot of island countries, Puerto Rico, the Caribbeans, if you're in an area like that, I think it's going to be even worse in the future. Wasn't Puerto Rico, didn't they lose power for almost a year? Was it Hurricane Harvey or the one after that? So this is the water projection. 4 to 8 inches, they're saying, in some areas. Now, the mayor came out in New Orleans and said now is the time to pay attention to what's going on. This is Norman. This is Norman, Central Pacific Hurricane Center, Honolulu, Hawaii. This is about 700 and something miles away from, I think, Hilo. And then there's another one, Olivia, which is 2,400 miles east. Now, if you go to the emergency maps, so hisz.rsoe.hu. I go here on almost a daily basis to get the updates on extreme events, emergency news. And to share with you a few, Japan, tropical storm, worst in 25 years, that has killed at least 6 people. Then you've got extreme weather in Arizona, flash flooding in Kansas, flash flooding in San Antonio, forest fires in California, landslides in Thailand, tropical storms, state of Florida, extreme weather, state of Illinois, forest fires, Kelseyville, state of California, storm surge, Taiwan. And this, I'm just talking about the weather stuff. We've got a ton of biological hazards right now. Fire in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, flash flooding in India, capital city, extreme weather in China, extreme weather in Iran, forest fires in Spain, critical infrastructure disruption in Iraq. Well, that's not even weather related, so guess I didn't need to bring that one up. Volcano eruption in Italy, volcano eruption in Papua New Guinea. Forest fires in Canada still near extreme levels. Environmental pollution in the state of Tabasco, Mexico, statewide, near catastrophic. Volcano eruption in Chile, volcano activity in Iceland, the Kol Glacier, volcano activity in Vanuatu, volcano eruption Indonesia, volcano eruption still Kilauea, ongoing. See what earthquakes we got. We got a couple 5.1s in South America, the Falkland Islands. A couple 5.2s, South America, Falkland Islands. Just a few hours ago, 5 hours ago. Tonga, some 4.8s, 7 hours ago. And there you have it. Hope you have a fantastic day. Just make sure you're serious. Be excellent to one another. Don't forget, you want to subscribe, youtube.com/clandestine Time Lord, also leakproject.com.